All the ripples, all the damage in the timelines are being corrected now. The governments, the CIA has been using time traveling to create Mandela effect. They have created distortion, confusion. They have broken certain timelines. They have tried to let us accept new timelines and different timelines. But we succeeded in not giving up. By taking our power back, we are correcting the timeline. Everything is working out the way it should. Everything is going the way it should. We made it. We will get together. We will be happy. Please keep the focus. Keep the faith. Be strong. Be strong in God. Be strong in your faith. Don't lose it. The timeline ripples is being corrected. As you can see, the patterns in front of you is a similar example of the ripples in the timeline. It is being corrected. Be like water. Flow. Have love. Be strong. Love yourself. Love your family. Love your neighbor. Love everyone in this world and pray for everyone.